Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mood and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 12 of self-practice 7E of chapter 7. Chapter name is Algebra of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 12, self-practice 7E of chapter Algebra, and topic is transposition. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. Solve the following equation by method of transposition. We have given equation and we have to solve this equation by method of transposition. First number 1 is x plus 2 equal to 6. This is the equation given and we have to solve the variable x. X plus 2 equal to 6. Then 2 on left hand side plus 2 is there. 2 will be transposed to the right hand side, then it will be x equal to 6 minus 2. Plus becomes minus. Then x will be 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So value of the variable x is 4. Number 2. Y minus 7 equal to 13. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable y. Here on left hand side minus 7 is given. This minus 7 transposed to the right hand side, then it will becomes minus 7 changed to plus 7. Y equal to 13 plus 7. Minus changed to plus. Then y equal to 13 plus 7 is 20. So value of the variable y is 20. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 5 equal to p minus 2. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value of the variable p using the method of transposition. 5 equal to p minus 2. This equation can be written as p minus 2 equal to 5. P minus 2 will be on left hand side and 5 will be on right hand side. Then p minus 2 on left hand side minus 2 is given. This minus 2 transposed to the right hand side, then it will be minus 2 changed to plus 2. Then p equal to 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. P equal to 7. So value of the variable p is 7. 4. 16 equal to m plus 9. 16 equal to m plus 9. This is the equation given. We can write this equation as 5 m plus n equal to 16. M plus n will be on left hand side and 16 will be on right hand side. Then this plus 9 is transposed to the right hand side. It will become m equal to 16 minus 9. Plus 9 changed to minus 9. M equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. M equal to 7. So value of the variable m is 7. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 is 16y equal to 48. This is the equation given, 16y equal to 48, and we have to solve the value for the variable y. 16y equal to 48, then y will be this 16 multiplied with y on left hand side, then 16 transposed to the right hand side, then multiplication will change to division. So y equal to 48 divided by 16. Then y equal to 48 divided by 16 is 3. Then y equal to 3. So value of the variable y is 6. Y is 3. Value of the variable y is 3. 6. Number 6. 1 divided by 9, x equal to 5. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable x. 1 divided by 9 x equal to 5. This implies x is here on left hand side 1 divided by 9. 9 is on division. Then 9 will be transposed to the right hand side. Then this division changed to multiplication. So x equal to 9 multiplied with 5. Division becomes multiplication. So x equal to 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. X equal to 45. So value of the variable x is 45. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 is x divided by 7.5 equal to 1 divided by 2.5. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable x. This implies x equal to, here on left hand side x divided by 7.5 is given. X is on division. X divided by 7.5. So this 7.5 transposed to the right hand side, then it will be 1 divided by 7.5 will be multiplied with 7.5 multiplied with 1 divided by 2.5. This division will be changed to multiplication. Then x equal to 7.5 divided by 2.5. X equal to 7.5 divided by 2.5 is 3. Then x equal to 3. So value of the variable x is 3. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8 is 1.7 equal to 2d. 1.7 equal to 2d. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable d. 1.7 equal to 2d can be written as 2d equal to 1.7. 2d will be on left hand side and 1.7 will be on right hand side. Then d will be d equal to 2 multiplied with d on left hand side. Then this multiplication change to transpose to the on right hand side. This will multiplication change to division. So d equal to 1.7 divided by 2 and d equal to 1.7 divided by 2 is 0.85. So value of the variable d is 0.85. Now we solve question number 9. Question number 9 is c minus 8 equal to minus 13. C minus 8 equal to minus 13. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable c using the method of transposition. Then c will be c equal to, on left hand side minus 8, c minus 8 is given. This minus 8 transposed to the right hand side, it will be 8 minus 13. Minus 13 plus 8. Then c equal to 8 minus 13. Minus change to plus. So c will be 8 minus 13 equal to minus 5. So value of the variable c is minus 5. Number 10. 3.8 equal to x divided by 5. We can write this equation as x divided by 5 equal to 3.8. X divided by 5 equal to 3.8. X divided by 5 on left hand side and 3.8 will be on right hand side. On left hand side x divided by 5 division operation is given. So this 1 divided by 5 transposed to the right hand side, it will be multiplication. Division becomes multiplication. Division change to multiplication. So x will be 1 divided by 5 transposed to the right hand side, it will become multiplication. So it will be x equal to 3.8 multiplied with 5. Then 3.8 multiplied with 5 is 19. So x equal to 19. So value of the variable x is 19. Now we solve question number 11. Question number 11 is z minus 2 equal to minus 10. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable z. On left hand side z minus 2 is given, so this minus 2 transposed to the right hand side, then it will be minus 2 change to plus 2, then z equal to 2 minus 10, minus 2 change to plus, so z equal to 2 minus 10 is minus 8, so z equal to minus 8, value of the variable z is minus 8. 12, number 12, 9t equal to 3, 3 divided by 5, 9t equal to 3 divided by 5, this is the equation given. First we convert this mixed fraction 3 divided by 5 into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator 5 with whole 3, then add the product with the numerator. 5 multiplied with 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 is in numerator and divided by denominator 5. 18 divided by 5, this is an improper fraction, as numerator is more than the denominator. We get 9. Now the equation becomes 9t equal to 18 divided by 5 after converting this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Now t will be 9 multiplied with t on the left hand side, so this 9 transposed to the right hand side, this multiplication becomes division. So t equal to 18 divided by 9 multiplied with 5. Now 9 and 18 will be cancelled by 2, is 9 multiplied with 2 is 18. Now we get t equal to 2 divided by 5. So value of the variable t is 2 divided by 5. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.